take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding.
Wow, so nice.
I've been trying to get my weight up.
We are here now in the site. This is our
take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away.
So good morning guys, we are here now in the site. This is our resume after quarantine. It's been a while since the general quarantine started, but we haven't started the work here. There's a lot of grass growing after the quarantine. Look at this one, those are the grass, and right here there's grass growing. There's water here, and the other one, as you can see, it's wet. They're going to put rice here. Before it was like dry, now it's wet, and then they're going to put rice there soon. The grass is so itchy. The leaves are so itchy when it touches on your skin. This is it. Uy.
I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just a beat and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me.
This is the eggplant looks like. We order 4 kilos of eggplant right now. Hopefully it's enough, because he said he just harvested the eggplant a few days ago, so now it's not that much. Yeah, we call it carabao, and I think this carabao is about teenage carabao because it looks young and female. That's the furniture shop. It's our neighbor. Chicken. They also have baby ducks right here. Oh.
Dahil sila magsunod, yun na sila sa lahang sunod.
Mo ba? 2 kilos of eggplant, and then additional 2 kilos later. 4 kilos of eggplant, fresh from the garden, neighbor's garden. A manga apple, it's 20 pesos per kilo, and I ordered 2 kilos. Wow, yum. So this is also a garden. I think this is a squash, and then this one is spinach. Yeah, this is the road that's supposed to go there, and that's our place. And they block this road because of the pandemic, so that there's not a lot of cars or tricycle coming in. So this one also, they block the roads, but I saw some motorbike goes here. Layaw.
Sige.
Buka na.
Nari ka, dire dong.
So the new progress for today, there's wall already with grills, steel, and then this one, and also here. Yep. At the back, it's already done also. So yeah. These wood right here are rejected, like can't be sold in the store. So my father bought it for 300 pesos. Also this 100 pesos all for rejected woods.
Jadi udah di magatas.
Pila ila na bata ama?
Pumili dito dayaon.
So this is the mango that I bought for 20 pesos per kilo.
Laway mangga.
We don't have toyo, we have gid. We have salt. This is apple mango, dip in salt.
Lawayon ra ko nimo.
Kaya na.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
So this is the progress for today. The walls right there and also right here, but they cover it because they want to hide things inside, and also at the back, and also right here the left part is already finished, and also right here they cover it as temporary because we want to hide the things inside. And so let's go home. Bye bye. Wow, wow, so nice. But
I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out.
heavy rain, guys. The water's dropping in my window.
In a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me, yeah. Oh,
Ha?
You should go. Before you do, Counselor K.O. battled fearlessly alongside my father in the last war. His father seemed to allow you head to that. Hey, mindanao. Hid behind the walls of Avalon, trembling with fear. Hinahanap niyo po ako. Huwag ka tumayo lang dyan. May pag-uusapan tayo. Kaya napo ka. Ito. Kamusta ang schedule ni mamaya? Gusto ko po kasing pakilala sa inyo yung sinasabi kong doktor. Opo. Sir, magagamit natin siya.
If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you will see more videos of me traveling around Philippines, other countries. Also, if you wanna see more videos of Mindanao, my home life that you'll never see in the other channel.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.